What is color? I've always asked this question. Color is a challenge. It always is something that you can't fully control even if you wanted to. Color is an inherent component of graphic design, and no color is different. There's no special color. It's all about the sense of what it represents and how it moves us emotionally, dramatically, how it reflects ideas of character and personality and mood, the sense of resonance. And then you have other elements, color combinations and relationships with color, and how colors react to other colors in a sense of contrast. And thus, color is a very subjective conversation. But the approach of a designer is to put that subjectivity into an objective path. Red relates to energy, enthusiasm, excitement. Yellow has a sense of being intellectual. It's all about idealism, warmth, fun. Blue has a sense of being truthful, transparent, sense of faith, sense of knowledge. But that depends upon the context. Try not to fear color. Any color is good, as long as you're consistent. Context is pretty much everything. But there's one little rule that I have. Start in black and white until you are comfortable to applying color. When you start in black and white, you define the clear function of what something is supposed to do. And when you apply color, you enhance that function and your client will be happier for it. The transformative elements of color are untold. The sense of joy that comes from certain radiating, energetic hues, how that can transform your outlook on the day, the discovery of a combination of colors that can change the way you consider the world to be. It's intrinsic to human nature.